Welcome to this visual explanation of the dot product and projection. In this video, we will break down each concept step by step using intuition, diagrams, and real applications in machine learning. What is the dot product? The dot product is a way to measure how similar two vectors are. It tells us how much one vector goes in the direction of another. Here, we have two vectors. As you can see, they point in the same directions. The dot product combines their magnitudes and the cosine of the angle between them. Formally, the dot product of A and B equals the magnitude of A times the magnitude of B times the cosine of the angle between them. In simple terms, the more they point in the same direction, the bigger the dot product. Example 2, 1 dotted with 3, 4 equals 6 plus 4, which is 10. Let's go through a complete example to understand it mathematically. Suppose A is 3, 4 and B is 2, 1. The magnitude of A is 5 and the magnitude of B is the square root of 5. The dot product is 3 times 2 plus 4 times 1, which equals 10. We can also compute the angle between the vectors using the cosine formula. Dot product divided by the product of magnitudes. From this, we find theta equals to cos inverse of 2 over the square root of 5. What is projection? Projection answers a simple question. How much of one vector lies in the direction of another? We start with two vectors. Again, one will cast a shadow onto the other. To find the projection, we drop a perpendicular from the first vector onto the second. The resulting red point and shadow arrow represents the projection, the exact component of V1 that lies along V2. This forms a right angle because projection always drops perpendicularly. Think of it like shining a light from above. The projection is simply the shadow that V1 casts on V2. The projection tells us how much one vector aligns with another. It also shows how much of V1 lies in the direction of V2. The projection formula is V1 dot V2 divided by the magnitude of V2 square multiplied by the direction of V2. Let A equal to 3, 1 and B equal to 2, 0. The dot product is 6. The magnitude of B squared is 4. So the projection equals 6 over 4 times B, which simplifies to 3, 0. Therefore, the projection of A onto B is the vector 3, 0. Now let's look at how dot product are used in machine learning. The dot product measures similarity between data points. It's used inside neural networks in every neuron, where weights are dotted with inputs. It's fundamental in cosine similarity, used in NLP and search engines, and it also appears in recommendation systems that compare user behaviors. Projection also plays a major role in machine learning. It's used in PCA to reduce dimensions. It protects data into principal axis. It removes noise by ignoring small or irrelevant components. And it's used widely in compression and feature extraction. Thanks for watching. If you found this visual explanation helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more animated math tutorials. See you in the next one.